Okay, so since the previous video has been interrupted, nalobot kasi ako, I'm so sorry. So let's now go to the half, okay, the second part of the tutorial, which is, by the way, as a reminder, is to join or host the meeting. Okay, it's that part already. Now, all you need to do is open the Zoom client meeting software that you have installed. Let's say it's this one. Okay, sign in if you haven't signed in already, and then either host a new meeting. Okay, click this one to host a new meeting or join a new meeting. Now, let's do first the hosting of the new meeting. All right, so I'm back. All right, so let's host a meeting and then again, join with computer audio at all times. All right, and check if your microphone settings are okay, right? To check if your audio settings are fine, all you need to do is click this caret over here beside the microphone icon, and then choose your headset if you have one, your earphones, okay, or by default, Realtek high definition audio if you don't have any and you're just using the microphone of your desktop or your laptop. Okay, the built-in microphone. All right, so since we are using Plantronics, I'm using a headset. We choose this one for the microphone and choose the speakers. Okay, the Plantronics Audio 628 USB speakers for the speaker. All right, if you want to test your speakers again, you can just click this one. All right, and you'll do the same thing that happened to us on the first video. Now, aside from our audio, we need to check also our video settings. Okay, so if you want to kind of not show yourself, all right, you have to close the video, okay, or stop the video. But if you want people to see you like this, like what I'm doing right now, then you have to start the video. All right, so this is the video icon, and beside it, on the right side of it, is actually the video settings. Okay, so you can either have the virtual background option if you want a virtual background, but please have a green screen behind you for this to be effective. A white screen will do. It depends on your computer. If your computer has 8 gigabytes of RAM, it's good. Okay, it's okay, even though you have a white screen only and you don't have a green screen. But if you want to have a a virtual background, and you don't have, let's say, 8 gigabytes of RAM, you only have 4 gigabytes, you need to have a green screen behind you. All right, so that's it for the virtual background. Now, any video settings are also in here. Okay, so please enable your HD version of your camera. You can do these settings if you want. Okay, I always have these settings, and I also turn off my video when I join the meeting, kasi baka I'm somewhere else, and I don't want people to see me joining the meeting, because I usually am outside pa my workstation when I start a meeting. So if you're already on your meeting, or maybe you just don't want to show your screen at first, okay, you don't want to be shocked of what you'll be seeing, so you can turn off the video in the start of the meeting. But if you want to turn on your video, like what happened to me and what I did right now, you just untick this one. Okay, so I think, okay, these are all good. All right, so I'm gonna be exiting the video option. Okay, so what I want to emphasize lang on this part is you have the options on using which camera it is that you'll be using, okay, to capture your video. So right now I'm using the built-in camera of my laptop, but if I have an external phone, because this one is clearer, okay, the camera is clearer, I want this to be my external camera. All right, I'm just gonna install a Droid Cam software, that's for another tutorial, and then connect it to my phone, install a Droid Cam software on my phone, this phone, and then choose this on the Zoom video settings. All right, but if you don't have this, okay, don't worry, just any external camera that you have, or any built-in camera that you have on your laptop is now good. Okay, all right, so if you want people to join in this meeting, all you need to do is either copy the URL of your meeting or add your contacts if you already have contacts. If not, okay, you can also choose the email. Okay, you can send them an email invitation. All right, But if you don't have, okay, you don't want to send them an email invitation, you just want to have a link, all right, a URL that they can click, okay, just like this one. All you need to do is click that copy URL button I just clicked, okay, this copy URL, and then go to, let's say, go to your messenger, or go to any chat software that you're using, and then send them this link, okay, the link that you have copied. All right, now if you have the link, open a browser, or just click that link, and then allow Zoom meetings to open. It's like this one, open Zoom meetings, and they will now be redirected to this room, okay, this very same room. Right, that's how you can send links to people when you're hosting a Zoom meeting. Now let's say I want to send that meeting, not here. Okay, I want to send that meeting to my other account. Let's say this one, right? So this is the other account I use for file keeping or any proofreading I create. Okay, send the link and then open that link on my phone. Right? I'm gonna open the link on my phone. Okay, and you'll see me getting inside the meeting because my phone already has a Zoom installed in it. All right. So using this phone, I think I'm using the, okay, this one, Coach KJ Glea. Now, I'll be joining using the mobile phone with the video. Alright, so this is still me. Okay, so you can now see me inside the meeting. I did not click the call via device audio. Ito. Okay, I did not click that one because I don't want static or anything to disturb the recording. Right? So that's how you send a link and join a meeting. Okay? So I guess that's it. If you want to join a meeting, just either let me just end this one first. Let's just go inside. Leave meeting because there's also another one inside the room. I'll just copy the link later. All right, so this is how you join a meeting. Let's say you already signed in your account and you just want to join the meeting. Okay, tutorial. You can also change the name, by the way. So let's say I am Dr. Quack Quack. All right, and just click there the meeting ID. Okay, let's say this was the meeting ID I have copied. Just copy the last digits, okay, before the slash J. I mean after the slash J, and put the meeting ID here. Okay, do not connect audio. All right, and I think, okay, just put that one. You have the option to turn off your video. Alright, so I'm inside again. Hi, I'm inside again. Alright, so I'll just stop the video on the other one. Okay, I'm now inside the meeting. See, I'm back in the meeting. So that's how you either host or join a meeting. Now, for very important features of Zoom, you will be using in uh, if you're hosting a webinar in the webinar, okay, or if you're joining the class, these features are also going to be handy for you. Okay, so first one, you can share your screen if you have any presentation to do, right? Just like this one. If you have a PowerPoint presentation or you just want to show people how you do stuff online, all right? So you can share your screen right here. Now, for you to stop the sharing, we have here the red button below. Okay, just stop share. All right, so share screen. There's a shortcut, by the way. It's Alt plus S. So you have to click them both together to share your screen. And then click yes to confirm sharing the screen. All right, that's for sharing the screen. You can also share computer sound only. That's going to be for advanced. All right, if you just want them to listen to the music while you're doing your stuff, preparing for a class, whatever it is that you want to do, or just select a window you want to share, either here, whatever window you want them to see. If you have chosen a specific window, all other windows that you will open, they will not see it. All right? They will just see the window you have shared, okay, or you intended to share. All right, so that's for the screen sharing. All right, we also have here speaker view. If you want people that are speaking to be seen only. All right, or the gallery view, just like this one, the gallery of pictures. If there are many participants in this meeting, you will see tiles of people inside the meeting. All right, you'll see that later once you join the class or an online seminar. All right, if you want to exit the full screen, all right, you want to see the minimized version, you can also just click this one and maximize this if you want to enter the full screen again. All right, you can also send reactions. This is, by the way, new feature that they have. You can send reactions. You can either clap or give your thumbs up. Okay, this is for the speaker or the host of the meeting to know what you think. It's kind of a feedback you can give to them without disturbing them on their speech. All right, and also you can record a meeting, but this is only possible if you are the host of the meeting or you have the approval of the host of the meeting. Okay, and the next one, the last one, but a very important one, is for you to chat to other people. Now, if there are any other participants, you can privately message them or you can publicly send a message to everyone in the online Zoom meeting. All right? I think that's one of the most important features. And if you will be hosting the meeting, just like what I always do, you have here the manage participants option. This is only available for hosts, and you can actually close the video of someone, make them the host. What else? You can rename their names. Okay, you can ask them to start their video if their videos are closed. Okay, I will see a pop-up here, a notification that I will be starting my video, and I already have started my video. I'm gonna close this again. All right, so I can mute everyone except for me, of course. Okay, but they can unmute themselves if they want because I allow them to. Okay, or you can unmute everyone if you want them to speak. All right, that's how you can manage the participants. Okay, so I think that's it for yeah. Let's just okay. No audio. Okay, I think that's for the Zoom. I think those are the basic features you can find. All the other advanced features will be taught to you on the next tutorials. All right. So you're now ready to attend or host a webinar, an online seminar, or an online class. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you. Bye bye.